If you have issues with Hotspot on Google Pixel 10a, if it doesn't work properly, let me show you what you can do to try to solve your issues. So let's go to settings, then over here we're gonna tap on a network and internet over here. And once you proceed to these settings, you can find the hotspot and tethering. Now we're gonna tap on the Wi-Fi hotspot itself. In here we can of course check the password, so in case you want to update it, then you can do so over here. And if you have Wi-Fi hotspot enabled, you can actually generate a QR code, which can be quite helpful in case you don't want to search for the Wi-Fi network on other device that is trying to connect to your hotspot. And you don't have to enter the password to your hotspot as well, so it might be really convenient to actually scan the Wi-Fi QR code. Besides that, what you can also do is you can change the speed and compatibility. This is the main reason why Hotspot might not be working on some devices. If you use higher frequency like 6 GHz or even 5 GHz, then of course other devices might not be able to detect those frequencies, so the hotspot will not be detectable. So you might want to switch to 2.4 GHz in order to ensure that it is compatible with pretty much every device or with most devices. And that is pretty much all we can do in order to try to solve issues with the hotspot. Of course, if you have hotspot enabled, you can also just turn it off or turn it back and turn it back on afterwards. Sometimes a simple turn off and turn on works too. And that is pretty much it. And also, if you need more time than 10 minutes, because usually after 10 minutes, if no device is connected, then the hotspot automatically turns off. If you need more time, then we can disable this option, turn off hotspot automatically. But in that case, you will have to remember to turn off hotspot manually whenever you don't need to share the internet anymore. Leave a like and subscribe.